Can you rise, Professor?
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उत्कल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. 19 states and 4 union territories are part efforts of Honorable Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh and tireless efforts and precise coordination of the officers of Government of India and Government of JP.
Dr. Chandramouli, my batchmate and the Secretary DOPT, Chief Secretary of Union Territory of Jammu Kashmir, Mr. Subramaniam, Additional Secretary from the Administrative Reform and Public Grievances DOPT, D. Srinivas, and Joint Secretary Sasan Sekhar, all the senior officers and the participants from all over the country, almost 19 states are here. It is a very, very heartening and very, very welcome occasion today. It gives me very great record, the contours of the good governance. But you all knew India is the largest democracy, and with the welfare state, we have the concept. We have, already we have taken into our, constitution, and this is our basically the centerpiece of the whatever the governance, as you all know it, there is an agent ownership relationship. We are the agents and the owners of the public, and they expect us that we should work according to for their welfare and to their services. So this is actually expected, and we are supposed to be always there to invent and reinvent. As already it has been said, that over a period of time, there has been changes. There is evolving a kind of a thing. In your career also, all of our career also, the role changes. And the expectation changes and new challenges has come. So always there is a reinvention and business process re-engineering is always required. What has happened over a period of time, I would not like to say so many things on as a theoretical thing, so perhaps you have all know and you must have already so much of exposure on this thing. But I'll take little bit liberty to take little bit in the lighter vein. I'll say some things which are, it is, although the topic is very serious, but I'll say that we have mastered over a period of time some kind of an SOS system. That is, I have been very open, I say that SOS is save our skin, always we are risk averse. Or we have multi-layered thing, we have so much of rules, regulations, SR, GRs, or GOs, whatever, we are prepared to save ourselves only, but we don't want to, do anything. That is what our hallmark has become. Because of that, we have plethora of rules and regulations and orders and other things which people don't understand. And sometimes we don't understand. So that our junior officers only, they tell us what was earlier there. They are the repository of knowledge, and sometimes we should learn from them also. So that's how we have to come out of this mindset that we have to take risk, we have to be bold, we have to see that for what we are here.
Prime Minister Modi and his government stands with DK. And being a student of science, I would not say without evidence just for the sake of saying, so that you also go home and say कि कुछ ना कुछ तो कह रहा था chief guest बन के आए थे तो कह दिया. I will qualify in a moment. What is the essence of maximum governance? Maximum governance, A, would mean more and more of transparency. We have walked the talk with evidence, I said. On the 15th of August 2015, from the ramparts of the Red Fort, Prime Minister Modi announced that he wanted interviews to be abolished for appointments to the government, so that there could be a level playing field for the youth, regardless of whichever socio-economic strata he came from. And he said, जब इंटरव्यू की कॉल आती है तो घर में भूचाल आ जाता है, कहाँ से सिफारिश ढूंढी. And I am proud to say, because if I don't pat my back, who else would? If I don't pat the back of my DOPT, who else would? The media is looking forward for some juicy criticism. So I have no hesitation to compliment the DOPT that within 3 months, this exercise was completed and a circular was issued. And on the 1st of January of the following year, 2016, the interviews were done away for the appointments to the lower posts, and most of the non-vested posts. Unfortunately, some of the states did not pick up that, including Jammu and Kashmir, where it happened only after the abrogation of Article 370. And that's a separate issue when you narrate the advantages mentioned by General Moily also, which is rather unavoidable, particularly as BVR was mentioning, in a real-time age that we live. Over the 5 years, we have done what was not done earlier, which could have been done earlier, because preparing reforms for others to emulate. We virtually today have online portals for every service being provided by the Government of India, starting from the DOPT. We have online portals not only for the service class, whether it's a BP or your pension order, whether it's a e-service book. We have online portals for RTI. And the day it was launched, I said in a lighter vein that some of the RTI activists who were always itching to file an RTI have to wait for the office to open. But look here, we have given you an app, we have given you a mobile. So, कुछ लोगों का ज्ञान उधर रात को 12 बजे के बाद होता है. You can get up and file an RTI wherever you are sitting, from wherever you are. We've done this. The states had a grievance cell as a requirement or a formality, but the website had not been visited for 2 years. We activated the grievance cell in the Ministry of Personnel and then tried to persuade others to follow our example. When we came in 2014, the number of grievances being registered per year was just about 2 lakhs. Today, 5 years later, it is, as we calculated on the 31st of December, it is 16 lakh more than that per year. So it's gone up 8 times. And when I said so, one of the media persons sardonically asked, and I like to be grilled because that gives me an opportunity to grill them. He said, कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं कि मोदी सरकार के खिलाफ शिकायतों की संख्या बढ़ती जा रही है, जो आप कह रहे हैं कि 2 लाख से 16 लाख होगा. तो मैंने कहा कि इसका उत्तर देने की आवश्यकता नहीं, क्योंकि इसका उत्तर बाबा गालिब 150 साल पहले देंगे, जब उन्होंने ये शेर कहा कि जब तवक्को ही उठ गई गालिब, क्यों किसी का गिला करे कोई. You file a grievance where you have the hope of receiving redressal or disposal. And since we had made our grievance cells, websites inactive, defunct, sick, the citizen lost interest. And we really worked hard for it, because as I said, if we don't pat our back, who else would? I'm saying so in the hope that if not 100, at least 10 would feel inspired about what has been done in the last 5 years.